I will reveal the candle on a crypto chart that signals a crash before most people see it. Miss it, and you might miss the move of the year. My name is Tom, and in this video, I will explain to you the candlestick patterns every trader needs to know. Let's start with the basics. A bullish candle means price opened low and closed high. Buyers were in control. A bearish candle means price opened high and closed low. Sellers had the upper hand. The thin lines, called wicks, show the highest and lowest points during that period. Green means up, red means down. Long wicks show strong pressure from buyers or sellers, while wicks on both sides signal indecision, with no clear winner. Now imagine the market is falling, and suddenly a huge green candle completely swallows the red one before it. That is the bullish engulfing, a clear sign buyers are stepping in with strength. Flip it around, a big red candle swallowing a smaller green one in an uptrend. That is the bearish engulfing, a clear warning that sellers are back in control. Picture this, your favorite coin has been falling hard for days, and then you spot a small body with a long lower wick on the bottom. That is called a hammer. Sellers tried to crush the price, but buyers pushed back. Often, that candle is the first signal of a rebound. Now imagine the opposite. At the top of a rally, a shooting star appears with a long upper wick. Buyers pushed higher, but sellers smashed it back down. A clear sign that the rally could be ending. The Doji is different. It has almost no body because the open and close positions are the same. It shows indecision. It does not confirm where the market will go, but many times it appears right before explosive moves. Next, the morning star. 3 candles tell a story. First a small red, then an indecisive candle, and finally a strong green push upward. Together, they signal that sellers are running out of power and bulls are ready to take over. The evening star is the mirror image. First a big green candle, then an indecisive one, and finally a small red candle. A warning of fading bullish energy and a possible downturn. Here's a quick overview. Pause the video, take a screenshot, and use it as your guide. The remaining candles, I did not cover, will explain themselves. Alright, your turn. Here is a challenge for you. Open an empty crypto chart, just like I did, and spot one of the candlestick patterns I just explained you. Comment below what you found, and tell me if you think it signals a crash or a rally. I will be checking and replying to the best comments. Do this, and you are no longer just watching a video. Step by step, you are learning to think like a trader. Subscribe right now and hit my notification bell, because I post 2 tutorials like this every week. And do not forget to follow me on X for daily free crypto news updates. Thanks for watching. And I will see you in one of my next tutorials, where we will uncover even more ways to master crypto trading.